Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V17 Pro and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically we have to enter the recents, and the way will differ depending on which navigation type you've got set. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, you will have to tap on this strange button and strange icon, like 2 lines or something like that, and then the recents will be opened. And if you've got the gestures, just like me, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got previously opened tabs, and if you want to, you can close, for example, only one of it or 2 of them. Just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to, you can close all just by tapping on this X button here. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.